The Armed Forces Special Powers Act, or AFSPA, has been a subject of debate in northeast India for decades. Following a tragic incident in Oding village, Nagaland, in December 2021, protests and demands for a review of the law intensified once again. On December 4, 15 civilians were killed during an operation by security forces. An investigation was launched, while questions were raised about the continued relevance and necessity of AFSPA in parts of the Northeast. Human rights organizations and several civil society groups called for greater accountability and reconsideration of the law. After AFSPA was extended in Nagaland, opposition to its continuation grew stronger. Similar concerns were also raised in Manipur, where questions were asked about the basis for extending the law. The Manipur State Human Rights Commission also questioned the justification for continuing the state's designation as a disturbed area. Several local groups, including student organizations in Arunachal Pradesh, have argued that existing laws are sufficient to deal with law and order challenges and insurgency, and that AFSPA has not provided a lasting solution. AFSPA was enacted in 1958 and has remained in force in parts of northeast India for decades. During this period, the region witnessed prolonged insurgency, violence and serious human rights controversies. Security forces have faced allegations of abuses and extrajudicial killings, while supporters of AFSPA have maintained that the law is necessary for counter-insurgency operations. However, insurgency-related violence in the Northeast has declined significantly in recent years. Several armed groups have entered into peace negotiations with the government, while states such as Mizoram have witnessed major improvements following peace agreements. Former Army Chief General Naravane had also stated that several army units involved in counter-insurgency operations had been disengaged from Manipur and Assam, reflecting an improvement in the overall security situation. This raises an important question: when circumstances are changing and violence is declining, should the continuation of AFSPA not be regularly reviewed? The debate over the future of AFSPA continues, with the central challenge being to balance security, justice, human rights and democratic rights in northeast India.